riding around the block with a Glock. Yo ass finna get shot. That's the silencer. That's the grenade launcher. I'm finna kill you.
I'm going to teach the man them how to deal with the woman them.
You need to write a book.
Pay attention to her and shut your mouth. That's all you have to do.
Pay attention to detail.
Pay attention. Listen to what she's saying.
Yeah.
Slow down. You slow down. A little deeper. You go deeper. She will tell you what she wants. Listen. Not there. Over here. They want them to caress them. Stand the distance. Take them to another celestial place. Take me to space, you know. You damn donkey foot shit house, you. That's why I always say to a woman, look in my eyes. And you see when she look at you, you just sink it deep. And you see when you sink it deep, you see her eye crawl into the back of her eyelid. Focus on me. Where you going?
Exposing our woke science teacher.
What did I do?
Look at this. Showing kids that color matters. Rainbow, trying to support the LGBT. Science, open border.
Chrissy, rise. Thou dost worry me. Awaken, Chrissy. 'Tis thou there.
The way that it goes when we up in the spot, the shit be flooded with warm. See, when you make it hot, the chicks that come out their clothes. That's when they get it. Mommy already know I suppose. Turn it up, shorty wildin' and shorty open, she beastin' it out.
Why do my white friends put their hot sauce in the refrigerator?
Isn't that where it goes? Mom!
The libtards on the left want you to believe in climate change. But if you think this is hot, wait till you're sitting next to Nancy Pelosi in hell.
Well, get the fuck out of here. Hi, I'm a pimp, and it's hot. How my hoes supposed to be on their knees when it's 4,000 degrees, huh? I'm wearing shorts out here. This ain't pimping. By climate change. Ah!
Yeah, I'm gay.
Oh, Weezy's gay too. You guys should hook up.
Huh? That's not how it works.
He's still new to this. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Hey, Auntie baby. Help. She making you go to church. You don't want to? Not today. Not today.
First off, bitch, mind your business.
Tell me the truth. What you was looking at?
Nothing.
What you was looking at?
I wasn't looking at anything.
What, go ahead. No, go ahead. Come on, let's pray.
No.
If a man is a man, if a man is a man, if a man is a man, then a woman is a god.
The sandwiches are stacked on top of each other and moved to a security checkpoint. Here, each sandwich is cut in half and scanned for contraband material that workers may have lost in the product, such as fingernails, wedding rings, fingers, guns, and sandwich pornography.
If I only could make a deal with God to get him to make my life a little bit better.
Can you draw a circle?
Damn, that smells straight like ass, man.
I don't know. I kind of like it.
Yeah? You like trash so much, why don't you live in it?
Why don't you bite me?
Damn, Oscar, why you such a grouch, man?
From the studio that brought you Joker and the Twisted Minds at Sesame Workshop comes the next gritty anti-hero origin story.
Why do you think you're always in such a bad mood?
Is it me? Or are things getting worse out there?
The once friendly neighborhood of Sesame Street has now become a haven of crime and corruption. I'm Guy Smiley, ABC DEFG News.
Hookers and pimps on every corner.
Now look, Prairie Dawn, you want to snuff his hoes, okay? And snuff his hoes early.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Bitch, you better shut your damn mouth for good.
People getting killed over nothing.
Give me the ducky.
Ernie, give it to him.
Hell no, bitch. No.
And how does that make you feel?
Grouchy. If everyone calls you trash and everyone treats you like trash, why don't you just become trash? Variety asks, did we need a dark take on Oscar the Grouch? No, says the New York Times. The beloved residents of Sesame Street like you've never seen them before.
You want to see this big bird dance?
1, 2, 3. 3 pills for me.
Elmo innocent! Elmo didn't sell no crack! You only arrest Elmo because Elmo Mexican.
From director Todd Phillips.
Sweep in the clouds away.
And the writer of P is for Potty.
On my way to where the air is sweet. Can you tell me how to get?
Would you do me one favor? Would you call me the Grouch? Brought to you by the letter R. Scram!
I don't mean to be over dramatic or anything, but there's no way I was just born to pay the bills and fucking die!
Cara.
She like, I smell the booty. I smell that white meat. All hairy. She gonna get that booty. Look at her. She hunting the booty.
This speech is my recital. I think it's very vital to rock around. That's right. On time. It's tricky. Hit the mic till we go. It's tricky to rock around. To rock around. That's right. On time. It's tricky. Ooh, yeah. It's tricky, 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 tricky. It's tricky to rock around. To rock around. That's right. On time. It's tricky. Yeah. Tricky, tricky, tricky. I met this little girlie. Her hair was kinda curly. Went to her house and bust her out. I had to leave real early. These girls are really sleazy. All they just say is please me, or spend some time and rock a rhyme. I said it's not that easy. In New York, the people talking try to make us rhyme. They really hard, but we I'm pretty as fuck. Pretty fast, pretty strong. Ooh, very nice. Fire. Woo! Pretty deadly. Yeah.
A mí me gusta como tú lo meneas. Muévete ese bam bam y grita.
Bienvenidos a la cripta. Dame tu cosita.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do that. It really wasn't my fault.
I'm still here.
Oh my gosh. No, calm down.
Aho, brother dear. Good medicine for all the people.
You're my friend now. We're having soft tacos later.
I do not fear you, Mother. This device is nothing more than an empty threat. You do not have the heart to dampen me, your favorite son. In fact, I challenge you. I beg of you to prove your worth. I don't believe—
If you made it to the end of this video and you want to see more compilations that I've made, click on the playlist on my channel. Don't forget to credit all of the wonderful people who made these TikToks that I put together in this compilation. They put a lot of hard work on their videos and I want people to see it. If you want to see more of my work, I have my socials linked in the description of every video. Again, thanks for watching.